Hi, this is Susan. I'm just going to share with you real quickly what I needed to do to get set up to start Rocket Math. I started mine back in October, and I will just run down what I did. First thing you're going to do is go to the X drive and print out your Rocket Math direction packet. It's a lot of pages, so be forewarned. You're going to want to have a binder to put it in as well. You will probably want two binders because you will probably have two operations at your grade level. For example, I have addition and subtraction, so I have a binder for each. Once you have the binder and the directions, really, quite frankly, just need to read them. The good news is there's not as many pages of directions as it looks like there are. Most of these are actually student pages. The other good news is it's written in a very easy to read manner. Definitely written by people who have fun and in a very relaxed manner, so don't fret about that. Just go through and highlight the key points as I did, and you really should be pretty good if you do just that. However, there are a couple things I learned through trial and error that I will also share. So after you Xerox that, put it in a binder. The other resources you need to gather is you're going to need a place or system to store all the letter test A to Z that you run. So I just used a milk crate. I have a file folder for each test, A, B, C, D, and so on, and those are in a milk crate right from the lunchroom. You are going to need also folders. I have 15 folders of one color, and these are for the answer keys that the students use when they work together each day. Make sure your folder has fasteners in it, because when you print these out, you're going to put them in here. And I had done it before without fasteners, just a staple packet. It took about a week for them all to fall apart. So learn from that mistake. Put them in a folder with fasteners. I'm going to jump ahead real quick and just say, while I have it in here too, when you Xerox your answer keys, make sure you do it on colored paper. I believe that was in the directions. So that when a student is taking their test, if you happen to see any colored paper exposed, you know that there's a possibility that they might be looking at the answer key. I have done the addition answer keys in one color, the subtraction answer keys in a different color. So addition all has one look, subtraction all has one look, because you'll have kids working on both operations at the same time at some point in the year. You may also wish to have a folder for each child. In my class, everyone has a blue folder. It's the math folder. It says the math folder on top. On the front, I have stapled the rocket chart. This is where you keep track of what letter they're on, or letter level, I should say, and also where I keep track of what their score was for each test that they took. I will include a quick video of the milk crate later on here. The other thing that you're going to do to get ready is a lot of Xeroxing. You need A to Z, so all 26 tests to be run, probably at least 50 of each in the beginning. You need to run your placement test. I started toward the beginning of the year in October, so I started everyone at the same level. For me, that was just easier. But starting this late in the year, you want to move these kids along and get them into subtraction or whatever your next operation is as quickly as possible. So you probably will want to run those placement tests and read up on that. You will need to Xerox your number writing test so you can see how many problems they should be answering per minute. You'll need to Xerox your letter home to parents. That's included in here. And you may have a second letter you want to create for them explaining how they can help your child with homework. I'll include another video that I am making for the parents. I'll make that available to you if you wish to share that. I think that's about it for the actual nuts and bolts of getting ready. You need to do a lot of Xeroxing, you need some binders, and you need some folders. Hope that helps. Thank you.